how to pair AirPods Pro with another iPhone. So if you already pair your AirPods Pro with your iPhone, and now you want to pair your AirPods Pro with another iPhone aside your default iPhone, then let me walk you through how to do that. First, on your iPhone, go ahead and open the settings app. Click on Bluetooth. Click on information icon on your AirPods Pro. Scroll down. Click on forget this device. Click on forget, and then click on forget device. Now, if you go back to your settings, you see the AirPods Pro name disappeared. Then go ahead and grab your AirPods Pro. Locate the button at the back. While you open the AirPods Pro, press and hold it for like 15 seconds. And the amber light will change in series. You also hear some chime. You'll then let go the button once the amber light changes from green to white and then to orange. That's to confirm that the AirPods Pro is now reset back to default. You can now go ahead and pair the AirPods Pro with your new iPhone. To do that, grab your iPhone. The moment you move the AirPods Pro close to your iPhone, we are going to see the AirPods Pro screen pop. Go ahead and click on connect. Then you should see connecting. Hang on a couple of seconds for this to connect to your AirPods Pro. So you can either open it or close the lid. Now hang on while your AirPods Pro is being connected to your new iPhone. Then once you hear a chime, that shows your AirPods Pro is connected. And then if you go to your iPhone settings, you should see AirPods Pro like that. You see that? So that is basically how you can easily pair your AirPods Pro with any iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.